Truth bomb. The fire in me almost fizzled out this week, but here's how I recharged. The me who usually wants to stand and deliver, this week was rough, and I feel like a phone on 2% battery. The apps were running, the apps were open, the notifications were pinging, but nothing was running right. And maybe you've been there too. When your drive disappears, when your tank feels empty, and you're just coasting on fumes, trying to make it through the day, trying to make it through the week. Here's what I had to remind myself. Just like a battery, my life, our lives, only runs as strong as the power source that we are plugged into. And if I keep feeding on small, draining thoughts, I'll stay stuck on low power, spinning, stalling, running on fumes. But the second we choose one bold, charging thought, everything shifts. Energy rises, clarity comes back, and the power is restored. And when you make your next bold move, that's the spark. So we don't wait until we feel ready to show up. We create readiness by showing up anyway, even in baseball cap, even when it's raw and unpolished. Because resilience isn't built when the battery is at 100%. It is built when we decide to move forward at 2% and bring our own light. That's what powerhouses are. They generate and create their own energy. So until next time, my friends, stand and deliver on choosing presence over perfection. Aloha.